Hi, my warmest greetings from Barcelona. Today I'm going to speak about the proportion and scale of elements in composition. We know already about monotony and fragmentarity, two extremes in pictorial composition, and about importance of uneven quantity of dense and empty for recognizing what is figure and what is background. So let's consider another condition for creating nicely balanced composition, the right proportion and scale of elements. All the objects in everyday life we divide into three large categories: big items, medium, and small. This division is relative and depends on the surrounding environment. The surrounding environment for elements in a sketch is a sketchbook page. Let's take a look on elements of different size in the sketch. Maybe it's best arrangement to place an element of medium size. We will avoid monotony and fragmentarity in this way. No, it doesn't look good. It's again the case of monotony, and adding more elements of the same size, it doesn't look good. It's again the case of monotony, and adding more elements of medium size doesn't help. And we already know the same effect of monotony produced by placing elements of small size on the page. Maybe big elements will give us a nice picture. For example, here's a big element. No, it doesn't work. Now we have a case of fragmentarity, and adding more elements of the same size doesn't help. Again, this is a case of fragmentarity. I think you have a guess. For creating nicely balanced composition, we need elements of all three sizes: big, medium, and small. It gives a sense of a good proportion between the elements and containing space. It makes a composition comfortable. And now it looks better, much better. It is as if you wanted to create a good sense of harmony in a room. You feel suppressed in a room furnished only by wardrobes, and a room stuffed by chairs doesn't look comfy. Normally works something like this: one cupboard, one table, a couple of chairs, a bookshelf, a statuette. We need diversity. So, working on sketch, we organize it in a manner that there are dense and empty spaces of three sizes. There are big, medium, and small elements. There always is possibility to gain a balance of diversity by adding some elements to your drawing. For example, if your landscape lacks something small, you always can draw a figure, or maybe a bird, to make a nicely balanced composition. In time, I'm creating new videos on composition. You can take a look at my book, Composition in Painting, Basics and Examples. There is a link in description below video. And don't forget to subscribe, to give likes, and I'll be happy to read your comments. It's all for now. Have a good time. See you soon.